Finding the passions of students and finding ways to inspire them, to me, that's amazing. I'm Natalie Anderson and I'm a Griffith Education graduate. Teaching science in a classroom for kids should be really hands-on and exciting and fun. I didn't come from a background of science. If anything, I thought I wasn't very good at science. So studying education at Griffith was a pivotal moment for me in my teaching career. It just made me so passionate about finding ways to make it really engaging for kids. To see them turn on a VR headset for the first time or fly a drone, it's also very rewarding as a teacher to share in those special moments. The support from the teachers at Griffith in that transition from studying into my professional career was really exceptional. The relationships that I built with my professors and now have those people as colleagues has made me a better educator with a better understanding of real life teaching in a classroom. Success to me means doing something that people are going to remember, putting in the effort to get them excited about their learning. It just validates to me that I'm on the right track